Hello, Karmic community. My name is Dawn. I'm with the Karmic Connection, and today we're going to dive into the world of amethyst. Amethyst is an incredibly amazing stone. Most people you talk to will know what it is, or at least they know it's purple. There's a lot of different properties about amethyst. I've got some laid out here. So amethyst is formed in a lot of different things. There's some clusters type stuff. There's points. These are actually natural. They come. Can you imagine the geode that came out of this came out of? Just incredible. Some of them that come out, they're polished up, so you can see those. Just regular points. A lot of you are very familiar with regular points. If not, this is a point. It's also called a tower. These here, palm stones. And that very popular, especially if you're wanting to meditate with amethyst. Now, as I get into this, I do want to point out that when you use crystals, you can use them in conjunction with Western medicine, but by no means should it replace the opinion of a licensed medical professional. So just want you to keep in mind when you're doing that. So how do you use amethyst? Well, there's a lot of different ways. You can carry it on you. A lot of people will carry tumbled stones, or if the points are small enough, they'll carry little points with them. You can also stick points in cages and carry those with you, or have them wire wrapped. You also can have bracelets with amethyst on them. So there's a lot of options. There's also rings. So pretty much amethyst is so popular, there's so many different ways you can carry it on you. However, if you're wanting it for your home, you want to do something, well, you can do it this big or you can do this little, but basically something by the front door or the center of the home, or as I will talk about in a little bit, because of its properties, you can put it in a bedroom. So very, very nice stone. Now what I'm going to talk to you about today is based on a bunch of research from a lot of crystal healers. I've got one of the books here with me that I use, and I'll introduce that a little later. But yeah, there's a lot of information, but this is what crystal healers believe. If you saw my previous video on the beginning crystal basics, I went into vibrations. So I won't go into vibrations too much here, but just know that they work with the vibrations and work with our bodies or our living space. So, what is amethyst all about? Well, amethyst is used to soothe, to ease stress, promote tranquility. It's a great stone to put in your meditation place, or, like I said, if you need to carry it with you, it's great to carry with you or meditate. Palm stones are really great for meditation. So if you're not in our area and you want to look for something to meditate with, just to promote calm, I highly recommend amethyst palm stones. So what else is amethyst good for? Well, amethyst is also linked to the crown and the third eye chakras. So it's good for spiritual connection, higher consciousness. Again, a lot of that with the meditation, access the spirit realm using amethyst. A lot of people do. It's also protective. It helps protect the aura. Now, for those of you who don't know what an aura is, auras are energy field that surrounds us. Everything has an aura, whether it's us, whether it's plants, animals, trees, all have an aura. So it helps protect the aura. So that's why it's great to carry it on you as far as what it can do in your energy field. It's also good for intuition and clarity, but that also combines with that third eye crown chakra. Now, don't worry if you don't understand what I'm talking about right now. Chakras are energy fields in your body. The third eye is right here. Crown is on top. But I will be going into this in a little later video as far as the chakras, but a lot of it acts as this is the intuition, the higher realms, and that's helps give us the focus, the mental clarity as well. It's also good for physical well-being. Crystal Healers believes that it does boost the immune system and helps with headaches. You know, a lot of headaches are caused by stress, and this does help stress. Fun fact though, thousands of years ago, the Egyptians have used the amethyst for addictions. And so still today, that is one of the things listed in many crystal healer books, is that amethyst is good at helping with addictions. But yeah, who knew it was used so long ago? And it's referenced in so many different religious texts. So the other thing too that some crystal healers believes is it helps with the nervous system as well. So amethyst is fantastic. Now, how do you cleanse amethyst? That's one of the biggest questions I get, is how do you cleanse stones? And there's different ways. With amethyst though, the type of stone it is, you never want to set it in sun too long. You can set it in sun for short periods of time, but amethyst will have a tendency to start fading. So I like to use sage. I like to use tuning forks. Tuning fork, really easy. You know, just hit it, go around. But I do know many of you are more comfortable with sage. Just go around with the sage smoke. Bells help cleanse energy. Now what's this cleansing energy business that I'm talking about? Basically, the stones have their vibrations. Now, when we're in like emotional turmoil, when we're in have stuff going on, or there's been arguments, basically that lowers vibrational fields. Okay, well, stones can absorb some of these vibrations, so you want to clear them out, and that's why I'm giving you options like the sage and the bells and the tuning forks to clear it. So that kind of helps reset that stone so it can do its purpose. So that is what I have to say about amethyst. One of the people that I do, I've gone to seminars for, and he is a geologist himself and also in the medical field, or not medical field, metaphysical field, sorry, is Nicholas Pearson. And he is author of the book, Crystal Basics. And he's just amazing with his information, and I've learned so much from him. So just, you know, if you're looking for a beginning book on it, that's the one I would go to, is Crystal Basics, because it will give you, he's got in here kind of how to use them, how to set up grids, and all that information. Crystal grids, you can use various stones for different purposes in your home, in your workplace, but I'll be going over that in another video in the future. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you like this video. Please, please, please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments and we'll get back to you on that. Thank you so much and have a very blessed day.